Good morning. Day 4, pages 271 to 274. Okay, here we have Charlotte had a box of 46 sticks, craft sticks. Okay, and she used 28 craft sticks to make a sailboat. How many craft sticks were not used? Okay, had. Let's focus on had. 46 craft sticks. Okay, and she used 28 of them. Okay, we're going to be using this strip diagram, okay, so that we can do our subtraction, so that we can find the difference, because she had something and then she got rid of some other parts of it. Okay, so let's see. We do have 46. Okay, we started with 46. Okay, but then she used 28. Okay, she did not get some more, she used 28. Okay, so that's going to be minus 28. Okay, 46 minus 28. Now, I've always told you it's a little better, it's always better to put it on the side in a vertical way. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, let's find the difference. 46 minus 28. First things first, boys and girls, where do we start? We need to start in the ones place. Can we subtract? We have a 6 minus 8. Can we do that? No, we can't. Okay, because the number 8, which is the subtrahend, is bigger than the minuend, which is a 6. Okay, so we cannot subtract, so we're going to have to regroup. So let's go ahead and borrow from, regroup from the tens place. Okay, the 4 becomes a 3. Okay, and the 6 becomes a 16. Now we can do this. 16 minus 8. Go ahead and finish it, and all the other problems are very, very similar. Have a good day, boys and girls.